That is one huge woodpecker. Come here. Wow. Come here. Come here. Look at this. Look at the screen. No, he's just checking. Look how good that. Look at the screen, Chris. He's eating grubs. Come here, Brandon. Come here.
Is that as far as it zoomed in?
No.
Too bad it wasn't nice and sunny out right there.
That's cool. Fucking spider. That is a huge woodpecker.
Imagine him latching onto your head, thinking there's some fucking worms in there.
Yep, a little bit.